I'm going to be showing you how to craft a bed in Where Winds Meet. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So in Where Winds Meet, a bed isn't crafted like normal items in crafting menu. Beds are a part of constructive building system and not simple crafting like potions or arrows. And here's how it works. So before you can create furniture like a bed, you must unlock the construction system. And you unlock that to reach around level 25. So make sure you're at least level 25 in the game and complete the exploration quest called Building One Last Job at Halo Peak. And after this, you'll get access to base building system and crafting of structures and furnitures. So after you enter the constructive mode, if you're using PC, all you need to do is tap on F4 to build houses or build items in general. So if you're using mobile, then the option to build or the map menu will appear, and this will help you. So it's pretty easy for mobile. So after you've achieved the constructive mode, you can just craft or place a bed. So it isn't that hard. It's actually one of the easiest things you can do in the constructive mode. So in all these ways, you can successfully be able to craft a bed in Where Winds Meet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.